I'm now joined by JOSEF ASCHBACHER, who is the Director General of the European Space Agency. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
I'm going to start by asking you what the ESA Ministerial Council is and what its goals are.
Yeah, the ESA Ministerial Council is an event that takes place every 3 years on average, and it's really the moment where we define the future of space programs for Europe, because we are, through ESA, spending about 60% of all the public funding through the European Space Agency. That means all the activities that we are proposing to the member states will be subscribed at the ministerial conference, and really they are long-term programs which are of course running over 5 years, 10 years or even longer, depending of course on the activity we do. For example, we are having very interesting missions, first of all to look at our planet Earth, for Earth observation, climate change, climate monitoring, sustainability are top priorities, but also in launches, also in exploration. We're having very exciting proposals for the moon, participation on Artemis, of course, within the United States, but also having an infrastructure around the moon for navigation and telecommunication, just like on Earth, that you also can make phone calls on the moon between astronauts, or to direct the rovers or the infrastructure there, or to even transport large volumes of mass from Earth to the moon with a mission called EL3, European Large Logistics Lander, which will bring 1.5 tons of mass from the Earth to the moon. So very exciting missions, and it's really a mix of all the disciplines we have, but it is a very important moment for the European space community.
What excites you the most right now about space exploration and activities?
Well, space exploration is always exciting because there's so much happening. Of course, we just see the results coming in from the James Webb Space Telescope. Incredible science that we are seeing here. It's really eye-opening to look back to almost the Big Bang, 300 million years after the Big Bang. That means to see how the universe was created, but also other things like the Artemis mission. Europe is a very important partner with NASA to go back to the moon and, of course, bring the astronauts from the moon back on safely to the Earth through the European Service Module. But also exploration of the moon. There's a lot of new opportunities opening up, and Europe is part of it. Mars, we are having a rover called Rosalind Franklin, which we have been developing, and now we define the future of how this rover will be brought to Mars in order to drill under the Mars surface and look for traces of life, of past life. Or Mars sample return, again with NASA, where we will want to bring back a sample from Mars to Earth and analyze it and see what happened there and what we can find. So it's very exciting. Of course, the most exciting always in exploration are the astronauts, because they do experiments on the space station, but also they have a view of our planet, which is quite unique, and this is always very, very nice to hear.
And can you talk me through the European Space Agency's participation at this year's IAC?
Yeah, we are very present here. We have a wonderful stand. We are in many technical meetings where our colleagues are presenting science, technology, advancements, our plans for the future, results from the past, investments. So it's our home turf here. Headquarters of ESA is in Paris. Of course, we have establishments in different countries, so we are feeling very much at home here, and it's a unique opportunity, and it's a very, very important moment.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.